To use Rumi Sword Fortnite, the first thing that you're going to do is to open your Fortnite game and go to the quest options. After going to the quest options, you will be able to see there the Battle Royale K-pop Demon Hunters. Now click on the Rumi, land a combo with Rumi's Empowered Son on an opponent. And then afterwards, you will see there the Rumi's Empowered Sword. What you need to do is click or pick up F or hold to swap. After doing that, you will be able to see that you have already holding the Rumi sword. Once you have already hold the Rumi sword, you can now go ahead and find an opponent so that you can use the sword with it. Now, once you have already used the sword in it, you will see that you have already slain the enemy. And then afterwards, what you need to do is to pick up more power so that you can gain more power on using the Rumi sword on your Fortnite game.